Alright, today we got something pretty neat. We have a 12 gauge to 44 mag converter from the shootersbox.com. It has a rifled bore. We're going to put that down inside the single shot 12 gauge and try shooting some 44 Magnum through it. So you open up the shotgun and the bore converter is going to go right down the barrel. I don't know how accurate or how this is going to work, but we'll give it a go. So it's there. Wow. Let's see where it hit. That's a pretty big hole. Jeez. All right, let's try again. We'll pick that up later. All right. Oh, geez. Right up top. This thing is pretty cool. Let's try to give it some distance. Shoot at the gong across the pond. Alright, here it goes. Woo! Yeah! That's about 20 yards. Last one. Shoot it one hand again. Woo! Man, this thing's cool. This is the 44 Magnum converter from the Shooter's Box. 12 gauge to 44 Magnum. And it is awesome. Like the videos, hit the subscribe button.